Embarrassment in the Jamaica Constabulary Force after 12 people were arrested today in an anti-gang operation in Clarendon. 3 of them are police officers. But as you'll hear in this report, more officers are being linked to the gang. Jamila Maitland has the details.
8 police officers have been linked to the Ronko gang in Clarendon. The gang is said to be responsible for several murders, shootings and robberies across the island. During a police operation in the parish this morning, 3 members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force were among those arrested.
We have identified 27 members of the gang, which include at least 8 members of the security force, one of whom fled the island immediately after the arrest of Constable Silvera.
Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey says Constable Tafari Silvera, who was attached to the St. Andrew South Police Division, is said to be the leader of the gang. He was arrested and charged last year in June for conspiracy to commit murder. 2 other men who the ex-police allegedly hired to kill a member of the gang were charged with him at the time. That plot was foiled by the police.
In June 2021, the police, acting on information, commenced investigation into a plot to kill David Henry, O.C. Kochi, a member of the gang accused of being an informer to the police. The plot was uncovered, which led to the fatal shooting by the police of Kevron Saman, otherwise called Siva, who was second in command of this gang. 2 firearms were recovered from that incident.
The Ronko gang, which is based in Clarendon, is believed to be responsible for several crimes across the island, spanning from St. Elizabeth to St. Mary. DSP Bailey described the involvement of the officers as an embarrassment to the force and says no one is above the law.
Whether you're a pastor, a priest, a politician, or police, you will be apprehended, and as long as there is sufficient evidence, you will be prosecuted.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.
And the Commissioner of Police, Major General Anthony Anderson, commented on the gang case involving several members of the force. Major General Anderson said many members of the force have been left disappointed by the developments.
A lot of officers, when this happens, they feel down because why would our members be involved in it? It doesn't. My point is this: it's the JCF arresting them, and it's the JCF ridding ourselves of elements in it that are pulling down all of us. And so as long as we do that, we're on the right path. That is what is important. We're a big organization, probably the biggest single organization in the Caribbean. In that, you'll have the good, the bad, and the others. We, as an organization, cannot rely on anybody else to root out our own problems. We will do it, and where required, we'll arrest our own members and put them before the court.